We guide you through how to view Slack analytics. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Slack workspace on desktop or browser and make sure you have admin or workspace owner access because analytics features are limited for regular members. Next, click your workspace name in the top left corner, then go to Tools and Settings and select Analytics or Workspace Analytics, depending on your Slack version. Once you're inside the Analytics dashboard, you'll be able to see important data like active members, messages sent, channel activity, app usage, and overall workspace engagement. You can also switch between daily, weekly, or monthly reports to monitor team performance and communication trends. If you want more detailed insights, click specific tabs like channels or members to see deeper activity breakdowns. Some advanced analytics may only be available on paid Slack plans, so keep that in mind if certain reports don't appear on your account.